Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting the interface physically ready. Plug it into your computer with a quality USB cable and power it on. Install any required drivers or firmware so Bandlab can see it. Once done, restart the DAW or browser tab. Next, open the interface control panel and select a sensible sample rate like 44, 1 kHz and a medium buffer size, 128 to 256 samples, to balance latency and stability. Make sure Now switch into Bandlab and set the interface as both input and output in settings right arrow audio so audio routes correctly. Create a new audio track, choose the correct input channel, input 1 for mono or input 1/2 for stereo, and enable input monitoring when you want to hear yourself. Once you're patched, use the interface preamp to set gain. Aim for peaks around -6 to -12 decibels to preserve headroom. If latency bothers you, reduce buffer size or use software monitoring sparingly. Arm the track and hit record to capture your performance. Use punch-in or overdub for layered takes. After recording, trim and normalize clips, add any effects, then use mixdown to export WAV or MP3 at your chosen sample rate and bit depth. If you encounter problems, first verify Bandlab has microphone permissions and the interface shows in system audio settings. Also confirm the sample rate matches between OS, interface, and Bandlab. Swap cables or reinstall drivers if audio still won't pass through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.